What's going on? It's your boy C-Trel, and today I'm gonna show you real quick on how you can do Dolby digital mastering on UnitedMasters. Alright, I go by C-Trel. I'm a hip-hop artist. I also do tutorials, concerts, Weeble, Robin Hood tutorials, AI tutorials, a bunch of different stuff on my channel. So if you could like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, the first thing you do is go to the App Store on your iPhone, go to search and type in UnitedMasters, okay? If you already have an account with them, great. If not, this is how you find it and download it from the App Store. So once you find it, download it, hit open. All right, I already have an account, okay? So since I already have an account, if you don't have an account, you sign up and register with UnitedMasters, okay? This is an incredible music distribution service, all right, with a lot of perks. Do your research, okay? I can go into it, but with the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you how to do Dolby mastering. So what you're gonna do is go to the button down here that looks like a person, and then you go to new release, okay? Name the song. We're just gonna name it Test. Add your cover art. All right, add your track, and this is gonna be the song that you are uploading to the digital service UnitedMasters. So that's the song. You hit open. All right, let it load. All right, click that red exclamation mark, complete the task. All right, hit that check mark, scroll down. You can enter a label. So I'm entering my label. Done. Go to next in the top right corner, and here it is. Enhance your tracks with Dolby mastering. After purchase, your tracks will be fully mastered and ready for your fans. So what you have to do is toggle that button under Dolby on the right. It's already on. So if you hit it off, it says original audio file. If you turn it on, it says master audio file. You can press the button to give it a listen.
JP.
You said you wanna go to Vegas. I said let's go to Greece. Your smile is extraordinary. You get me in the piece. Fake friends expose themselves, so cut them off. Fashion model swag, bumming. Alright, so once you listen to it and you're satisfied, you hit purchase master tracks, and then you use your Apple account to purchase the $5 master fee. It's a one-time charge. So then to confirm it, you double click your power button to pay for it, and there you have it. You get your master track. Now I'm not going to go further because I already mastered this track, and this song is being released here soon. So with that being said, that is how you do Dolby mastering on the iPhone with UnitedMasters. I want to thank you for watching this video. Appreciate it. If you like it, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I offer a lot. All right, I go by C-Trel. See you next time.